Hi guys, I will continue to talk about MQL Binance programming. The topic is price precision. Binance different symbols, different price precision. For example, this is BTC USDT, where the price here, the price precision is 1 decimal place. And this is ETH USDT, and the price precision is 2 decimal places, which is different from BTC USDT. How can we get the symbol price precision by MQL? It is very simple. You can usually get the ETH USDT price precision by symbol digital property in MQL. And this line of code will return the number 2. Because price precision of ETH USDT is 2. We have to send the order with correct price precision when sending order, otherwise Binance will reject the order. For example, we are sending a ETH USDT order with the price precision is 1 decimal places. Then Binance will reject it because Binance requests if USDT price precision is 2 decimal places. So, for example, after the calculation of the buy average price, we have to modify this variable to a number with correct price precision, which is to buy NormalizeDouble function before we sending the ETH USDT order.